Hi, this is Epic Designer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a customized ceiling. But before I get started, I would just ask you to subscribe the channel for more tutorials like this. Let's jump into it. So for the ceiling, I'm gonna go open a architectural template. Click OK. Okay, so we are on the workspace on our Revit. So I'm gonna just draw a wall or yeah, sorry. So I'll change the unit first. I would like to work in millimeters. So I'll put the millimeters here. Take a wall command. Select the wall, whichever wall you want to be drawn, and draw a rectangular. It's gonna be 13 meter by 16. Okay, so it's going to be 7 into 11. Okay. So now we have done this and go to the ceiling plan and we will draw a ceiling. So just prefer to use the automatic ceiling. So I'll just create a ceiling here and go to the 3D view. Just edit type and duplicate the ceiling. So I'll call this plan 1 and I'm gonna go and edit the properties and I'll delete this. So basically you just need a simple ceiling, so you can upload the ceiling and you can create that ceiling also. So I have this ceiling default ceiling in the Revit template, architectural template, so I'm gonna modify that. So this is going to be our plan 1, so we'll just give it a dark color. uh, so for that I'm gonna give it the uh, yeah, so any dark color, steel, yeah, okay, so you can give this steel to this and click OK, and thickness going to be 200 mm. Yeah, so just click OK. So just go to level 1, floor plan, mark a section here, yeah, and just go on 3D view and select all the walls and connect it to level 2. Yeah, go to section and this is our going to be make it 2.5 meter and copy one more ceiling here and make that ceiling 2.4. Okay, so actually it is overlapping, so I'll make it 2300, 2.3 and 22. Yeah, it's good. So we just need a space, a little bit space between these two ceilings, so that's why I made like this. So select the second plan, add a type, duplicate the plan, and I'm gonna say this as a plan 2. Click OK, go to the structure, come here in the materials, go to the wood, and we're gonna give this a light color. Wood, wood plank, it's also a dark, but we need a little light color that will, yeah, I think this is fine. So just drag up to here and select OK, go OK again, click OK. Yeah, so we are done here and go to level 1 and just create a floor on level 1, click OK, and boundary line. So I'm gonna pick the lines and I will select the floor here. Select OK. So sorry, I have just created something wrong. I think I have select the roof. So I'm gonna delete this. Go to the floor. Select the pick line, and you can select like this. Select OK. Go to this section and check where is the floor. Okay, so floor is okay. So we just need to give the material going to be wood again, or you can make it a carpet. So go to the carpet and select some light color from here. Carpet. I think it's gonna be good. So just select that, click OK, click OK, click OK. Yeah. So for all walls, uh, go to the material settings, go to the material, and we'll give them a white color. So we will use the wall board. So it is white, so we don't need to change any color here. So we can just simply select the gypsum and give it a color here. Yeah, I think now we have done with all the uh, material given and floor and ceiling making. So now select this ceiling, go to level 1, ceiling level 1, come here and edit boundary. Now we need to create our ceiling, how it's gonna be look like. So we'll just create yeah, just point a line here. S- Sorry, just draw a line here, and then take an arc and start from here to here and select this, and we will mirror this to the other side as well. And now we're gonna go and take a center of this and take an arc here and select this, go to offset, and it's gonna be 400. Yeah, so we will mirror this to other side as well. Okay, just draw one more line on the center of this axis and select this all and mirror that. Yeah, so yes. Yeah, if you want anything else you want, so you can create one more arc from here to here and mirror this arc until here and select this both and mirror to this reference axis. Okay, so I think we have done here. Just delete these two lines. Yeah, so now we will just break the lines from where we want it to be. Just break the lines. So we will trim it easily, trim and extend. So I think we just need to break this line here also. So just take a trim and extend command, select this and this, select this, okay, select this and this and this, Yeah, and select this. Okay, select this and this here. So, yeah, just make it. We need to be modify this one. Select here and here. Select this arc and here. Select this arc and then click this. Select this and this. Select this and this. Select this and this. Select this. Yeah. Think it's gonna be okay now. Okay, select this one until here and select this. Just do all the trim and extend work here. Yeah, I think we have already finished this work, but here we need to modify something and we need to be a little bit go back. Okay, so just go to trim and select this and this. Okay, so just try to. So there is something wrong. So we just trim this thing and this thing again, and then let's try. I think the same problem is happening here. Yeah, so we just need to delete this arc. First, we will put that arc again. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is we'll take the arc again because of that it's showing something wrong. So we will uh, take take the arc from here to here and just put a reference plane to get the center of that. Just mirror this. Yeah. So now try to trim this. Yes, it's gonna work. A reference plane for this side to get the center of the work plane and select these two and mirror to the other side. Okay, just trim, take a trim and extend command. Yeah, okay. Mm, I think it's gonna be done now. Select yes. Yeah, so we have our ceiling ready and just go to the 3D view, make it wireframe and check our hidden line and check this how it looks like. So we cannot go inside and look. So go to the floor 1 take a camera view and put a camera here, and you can, sorry, I forgot something. We just need to add lights also. So what I'm gonna do is go to the insert, load family, and you can find the lights. You can, when you load the family, you will go the US Imperials, go here, select lights, go to the lights, architectural, internal, you will find these lights. So these are ceiling based lights, so you can select one of this ceiling based. So I'm gonna go use this light. So go to the architecture component and place that light in the center of this, one here, one here, one here, and one here, or might be one here. Okay, so yes, take a reference line. So just want it to be on the same place on both sides. So I'm gonna mirror that, and now I think it's done. So if you want, you can put one in this area also. Yeah, select the light and make it in the center. Okay, just select the light, control, and mirror this to other side. Okay, so now go to level 1, floor level 1, make a camera view. That's gonna be start from here to here like this. Yes, just go up to here, drag this to have a wider view, and yes, I think that's it. And just focus on the ceiling mostly, so we will have a better look of the ceiling what we have created. Yeah, okay. So I don't find. Okay, yes. Yeah. So this is fine. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to hit RR and change this to the medium, and going to change this for the artificial only to make our lights visible. So I'm just gonna go and hit the render, and let's see how it's look like. Okay, yes, it is developing. Yeah, I'm gonna, I think it will be good looking ceiling. So let's wait for the completion of rendering. Because of this lights and different colors of the ceilings, walls, and so it takes too long to create the render view. So let's wait for it. So this is how you can create any type of ceiling, whatever you want to create, whatever design you see anywhere else, and you can create that. And this is the way how to create the customized ceiling. Yeah, okay, that's it. This is done. So it is the render view for the ceiling what we have created.